doesn't want to go. Okay, but anyway, let's say it's there. Let's act as if it is not there. So we have log 64 base 4 plus log 1/81 base 3 plus log 1/8 base 2. And this is what we have. So you have to remember all your laws, of logarithms. You have to remember them. Okay, let me write it aside here. The first one will be log xy will be equals to log x plus log y. Okay, same base and same base. Yeah. So if you are adding logarithms of the same base, we can multiply the numbers and maintain our log and the base. Okay, that will be number 1. And then law number 2 is for division. X divided by y. Let's say base a. It will be log x minus log y base a, or then base a. Okay, so let's pick law number 3, which is log x to the power p. Let's say base a. That will be equals to log, that will be p log x base a, like that. Okay, let's deal with these 3 first. Okay, then check the bases if they are the same. You check the bases in your expression, in the given expression, if they are the same. Okay, so the first, if we check here, you find there is a 4, there is a 3, there is a 2. So all the bases are different. So if the bases are different, we have to deal with each term singularly. For this, we have to deal with this and maintain our positive sign there, and this one, and also this one. We have to deal with it separately, but we'll be maintaining our expression. And then the other thing we have to look at is the relationship between the base and the number. Okay, you can see that we have base 4 here and we have a 64. 64 can be rewritten as, you can say 64 can be rewritten as 64 can be rewritten as 4 to the power 3. That's 64. Okay, then we have also, in the second one, we have 3 and 1/18, 1/81. I mean, this we apply what you have learned in exponential laws. Negative n is equals to 1/8 power n. You apply it also there. Okay, so this one will be 81 to the power -1. So we can say 1/81 is equals to 81 to the power -1. But okay, 81, what is the relationship between 81 and 3? 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. You can see that can be written as 3 to the power 4. Then 8 again, 1/8, we apply the same rule as that one, which will be 8. And 8 in terms of base 2, you see, it will be 2 to the power 3, like that. So you must know the relationship between base and the number, or between the number and the base. Then, okay, let me erase this. I think you have noticed it. How am I gonna work it out? Okay. Yeah, there is a plus, don't forget. Okay. So we are saying this can be rewritten as 64 is 4 to the power 3 base 4 plus log 81, we say is 3 to the power 4, then the bracket -1 and base 3. Okay, -1, remember, is for the law of exponents when we have a fraction. Okay, plus also we do the same for log 8. Log 8 is 2 to the power 3, and then raised to the power -1, raised to the power -1 base 2. Okay, then with the look of things, this one we can apply. For this one we can now apply our law number 3, which is log x to the power p base a is equals to p log x base a. That's what we apply. Okay, so it's for everything here, for this one also, for that one also. So that's our magic rule for our sum. Okay, it will be, it's not magic though, log 4 base 4 plus, okay, let's simplify that. Log, let's simplify, log 4, it's not log 4, excuse me, it's log 3 to the power -4 base 3 plus log 2 to the power -3 base 2. Okay, then 3 log 4 base 4 minus, that's because of that -4, it affects this positive sign, so we will have negative 4 log 3 base 3 minus, again it is being affected, positive sign is being affected by -3, so minus log 3 2 base 2. Okay, let me go back to my phone. Yeah. So here we apply the other rule, which is log x base x. When the base and the number are the same, it will give us a 1, and it will be a 1. We have a 1, so at the end we have 3 times 1 minus 4 times 1 minus 3 times 1. Okay, It's a 1 there. I think you forgive me for this. Okay, as time goes on, I will be used. I won't do so much mistakes. Okay, so it will be 3 minus 4 minus 3. So it will give us a negative 4. That's our first example. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question on this, you still have to comment in our, or you have to comment in that comment box. Yeah, give us a comment. We will truly help you. Okay, let's go to example number 2. Example number 2. Our example number 2, we have log 25 is simplified again plus log 4 base 3 divided by log 125 base 2 minus log 3 all to the power 1 over 8. So the first thing, observe the pattern. Observe the pattern. What are the numbers doing? What are the numbers doing? Okay, for example, I have a 25, I have 125, I have a 4 and 1 over 8. So there is something to do. There's something to do with the 5 and the 5 here. There's something to do with a 2 and a 2 there. Can you see? So yeah, something like that. So we simplify each component first. 25 is same as 5. Let's say 25 is same as 5 to the power 2. Can you see that? 4 is same as 2 to the power 2. 125 is same as 5 to the power 3. Then 1 over 8 is same as 2 to the power negative 3. Like that. So we rewrite it in that form and see where does it take us. Log 5 squared base 2 plus log 2 to the power 2 base 3 all over log 5 to the power 3 base 2 plus log 2 to the power negative 3 base 3. Can you see that? Okay, then we see that all our expression, they fall, all of them, all of this, they fall into this law. Apply log x power p base a. So we apply this law to be p log x base a. That's why we apply for each term in our expression. Okay, so this will lead us to 2 log 5 plus 2 log 2 base 3. Okay, this is base 2. Don't forget that. Then the other one will be 3 log 5 base 2. Then this 3, okay, I think I changed my sum. Alright, I changed to here, was supposed to be negative. Supposed to be negative. Okay, that means now if we take this negative 3 to this one, then it will be positive. It will be positive 3 log 2 base 3. Okay. So you observe again, what else can you do? What else can you do? You find that there is a 2 and a 2 there, but here is a 3 and a 3. So we can apply factorization. We can apply factorization such that we have 2 for the numerator, log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 3. Then all over, here we factor out 3, and then we'll be left inside the bracket with log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 3. Okay, you observe again what is happening. You see that the numerator is equals to the denominator, so they can easily cancel. So you'll be left with what? 2 over 3. That will be your correct answer. Always keep in mind your laws. You first have to deal with it separately. Deal with it separately, singularly, each term singularly. Find if you can simplify it. Then at the end, when it is now in a simplified state, then you can deal with it holistically, like that. Okay, let's go to our example 2. Example 2. Let's see, example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2, we will get it in the follow. In example 3, I mean. Example 3, you'll get it in the following video. In the following video. Yeah. In the following video. But now we can go to also solving for x. That will be part 2 for logarithms. Yeah. It will be part 2